I made a video game to rage bait my biggest hater. But why? This is Viper, and to put it plainly, we have intergenerational beef.
Suli, let's be honest, your games suck, no one plays them, and you kind of look like a potato, I can't even lie.
I'm gonna construct an absolute masterpiece. I'm gonna create a video game in Scratch and rage bait my biggest hater. So I went onto his channel and started watching some of his videos to try and figure out what he liked and what he didn't like. But after 1 hour of watching his videos, I can say that I've successfully not figured out what Viper doesn't like in a game. So I have another idea. Why not just ask him myself? Okay, so Viper finally responded. Platformers, unique core mechanics, 3 storylines, pixel art, 5 boss battle. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me go into Untitled 67 and let's create this project. Now, what's the opposite of a platformer? A genre that focuses on non-linear explanation and a what does that even mean? Oh, open world games? Okay. I'm going to draw like a background. So we need scroll X, set X to 0, Y minus scroll, wait, no, X. X, Y, scroll X, scroll Y. Okay, one on the top and then one on the bottom. And now we actually need the player. He likes pixel art better than vector. Okay, so 100% of the game is gonna be vector. All right, this is the player. So let me get him scrolling. When green flag clicked, forever. X minus scroll X, right arrow times. Oh wait, no, I'm not even using right arrows. Arrow keys are for babies, so let me use WASD. Okay, it's moving good, but it's moving backwards. I'm pressing S right now. I should be moving down. Oh, wait. I think it needs to be changed scroll X. Wait. No. I did this in the last. Hold up. Where is that scrolling script? I need you. Please tell me it's in here. Please tell me I used it. Where did I put it? Did I put it in the player maybe? Here we go. Okay. Change scroll Y by my. You know what? Let me just steal this right now. It's not cheating because I already made this code as well. There we go. Okay, there we go. We officially have a scrolling level. So it's basically an exploration game. Okay, next we need an objective. And Viper said he likes storylines that actually add to the experience. So we're not gonna add any storyline at all. And then he also likes unique core mechanics that the entire game is based around. So let me think. I have this sword, but this could be a unique core mechanic. You just slice at stuff. Wait. No, he said he didn't like unique mechanics that the entire game is based around. Oh, okay. Get the sword out of here then. We can't have a unique mechanic. Yes, delete the sprite. That's the whole game. It's just to rage bait him. All right, let's just make an NPC. Let's have Abby over here. I don't think I've ever used her. All right, so let's just put her in the game. There we go. And when you go over, I've been looking for my lost shoe. Wait, she doesn't have a missing shoe, does she? Okay, let me just take off the shoe. I'm sorry, Abby. Some dogs. I've been missing my shoe. But I can't seem to find it. Maybe someone around town stole it? And the whole twist is that there's no shoe at all to find. What? It's supposed to go to the next one. I know what it is. I need a wait until not key space pressed. Okay, we have about 40 minutes left. I have an idea. I'm gonna make the boss battle because boss battles are fun, but I'm gonna make it completely unrelated to the game. Okay, let's add another NPC. Okay, let's add Andy. He's a cool guy. Okay, usually he's holding a basketball. So let me take out the basketball and bro. Someone took the basketball straight from my hands and ran off with it. I think I remember Abby shooting buckets at the court yesterday. She's never had a basketball in her life. I know it was her. I just can't prove it. Bro, just put the dogs away. Get sandals or flip-flops or something. Okay, so I think I'm gonna need to design the actual town. So why does the brush tool look like that? Wait, why does it actually look like that? Isn't the paintbrush supposed to be smoother? So let me put like a house here. Okay, that is like the most stereotypical house drawing ever. It looks like it was drawn by a 6-year-old. Okay, wait, hold on, that actually might be good. We draw the windows. Okay, wait, this is a good house. Hold up, I didn't know I was this good at drawing houses. Okay, that's actually fire. I didn't know I could do that. Okay, I have 30 minutes left. I think I did. Oh, I forgot the boss battle. Okay, let me quickly. Okay, we really need the boss battle. What color are houses? I don't know. I don't know. This gray color. That. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking good. Boss battle. That is right. Let's see what they added in here. Sam. Yes, this is actually perfect. So when okay, make a new message. Boss battle. He's just gonna start yapping about something. I don't. You've seen this town. What its purpose is. And then we need the cinematic bars, of course. Yes. Hold on, let me put a portal at the end. Cheesy puffs are perfect, actually. I have to walk past all of this. And I still need to put some more NPCs in there. Jeez, this is actually so long. I'm still walking. How long is this a level? Why can't I copy and paste? I'm pressing Control-C, Control-V. Hello, Scratch. Scratch, are you okay? 16 minutes left. You know what, let me just put the cheesy puffs just for now. Let me just put them right here. So it doesn't take too much time to test this. Okay. Wait, where's Andy? Oh, I didn't show him. I'm sorry, Andy. Okay, let me give Sam a sword when he's gonna start fighting the character. And I know Scratch doesn't have swords because they don't like violence, which is dumb. Because have you seen the Scratch Explore page? Why cannot I paste? What is wrong with Scratch today? Like this morning it's just acting up. Why can't I paste anything? And let me give him 2 swords. And I can't even undo. Hello? Sam health. Set that to 100 and you're gonna shoot him. Sam sad. Sam sad. Okay. Sam sad. Okay, so he should slowly fade out. You may have won the battle, but you will not win the war. 9 minutes left. Oh. So let me just quickly make a game over screen. You died. I need to make this fast. It doesn't matter. First hide. And then when I receive game over, show. So do I even have time to make the rest of the NPCs? I don't think I will have time. No, this game has to be finished. Why is the sword still in here? Hello? When did I add that? Oh no. Wait, this is actually hard. Where's my gun? Oh, I didn't even shoot it. Yeah, he moves. Let me make him a little bit slower. 2 minutes. I don't think I'll have time to finish this. Okay. Why is his health not going down? Why is it pointing like this? This is so weird. It's pointing not towards my mouth. There we go. Okay. Yes, it works. It works, everyone. I needed to make more NPCs. No. Will I even have time? Let me... Oh, shoot. Wait. 26 seconds. No, come on. Let me please at least add one more. No, the time is over. No, I still need time. Hold on. You know what? This is my challenge, my rules. I get an extra 5 minutes. I don't care if it's cheating. 5 extra minutes. Okay, this game is done. Don't know what to call this. So I think now we just need him to test it.
So Suli just sent me this game, The Town with No Purpose. Only instructions I'm given, talk to everyone. He told me that this game is probably not gonna make me happy. Okay, there's WASD controls. Nice background we have here. We can go off screen. Okay, there's this lady over here. She's saying hover over me to talk. She has one shoe taken off.
I've been looking for my lost shoe, but I can't seem to find it. Maybe someone around town stole it?
Okay, so maybe we have to find her shoe. That might just be like the There's another person here.
I've been looking for my lost shoe, but I can't seem to find it. Ran off with it. Not cool, bro. I think I remember Abby shooting buckets at the court yesterday, and she's never had a basketball in her life. I know it was her, but I just can't prove it.
Okay, so she stole the basketball. I don't know why there's 2 audio recordings. Oh, this guy just changed. He just changed. Wait, did he change or am I just like seeing things? He definitely changed.
Bro.
Okay, it's more. Okay, that's why it changed.
I think I remember Abby shooting buckets at the court yesterday.
What is this? These make no sense. These have like no relationship to each other. And what's the art, by the way? I just need to take some time to talk about this art. What even is this? Like, is there like acid on the ground? This game is making no sense so far. The graphics are so ugly. These are just like the default Scratch costume. There's no like obstacles or anything. Like Asian lady.
I know it was her. I just can't get to America's Got Talent.
Okay, now we have a dance lady who thinks she can go to America's Got Talent.
Wanna see me dance? Please?
The fleas just got me. That's actually so funny. I kind of like Suli's voice acting. I can't lie. Can we stop the music?
Hey.
Okay. Okay, why are there so many people? Can we just get like to the actual game already and not talk to these people?
I've been writing my college application essay for 3 months and I still haven't finished it. I have 900 words, but the essay only needs 600.
Okay, now we have the nerd here, I guess. I've been hitting the gym 3 times a day. My PR is 450 bench press. There's more people. Are we kidding? Okay, now we have this this
I
woman.
can't wait to move out of this town. It's getting so boring here.
Yeah, I can't wait to move out of this town too, because it is quite boring.
So, you finally made it to the end. You have seen this town. What purpose it has? Nothing. This town.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But you do, and I cannot stand for this. We must battle to the death.
Okay. Okay, I guess we're battling. So I'm gonna have to talk to these people again, like play through the entire game. Oh wait, I can probably just skip them, right? Okay, okay, it's fine, it's fine. No, but what was the purpose of this? Is the point of this game just to have no purpose? Okay, so how can I attack him? Because I see he has health. Sam has health. Wait, can I use my mouse? Oh, I can. Okay. Oh, I can also use space. Oh, he died. Okay.
This town has no purpose, yet you still fight for the people. Maybe I'm the one that has no purpose.
Okay, I need to find out what he said at the end, so we have to go all the way back. Oh my goodness, that was close. Okay. Why do I hear voices? Terrible. This is a terrible game. Easy.
Is someone around town still?
Why did I die? He was literally invisible. How did I die when he's invisible? That makes no sense. This game sucks. Is there a way to skip this? Is there a way to skip this? There has to be a way to skip. Okay, I won't make the same mistakes as last time we won.
This town has no purpose, yet you still fight for the people. Maybe I'm the one that has no purpose. No, it can't be true. You may have won the battle. You will not win the war. I will be back.